Hello everyone, my name is Liu Jun. Today I will be talking about the facial recognition technology, or we call FRT. FRT is an AI-based system that can identify the people by analyzing their facial features. It can convert your face into the digital data and compare with the database to verify the identity. Businesses can use the FRT to improve the security, convenience, and efficiency, making the operation smoother and faster for both company and customer. How the businesses apply the facial recognition system. In China, platforms such as Alipay and WeChat Pay widely support the facial recognition payments. Start from 2017, Alipay launched the first facial recognition payment system at KFC restaurant in Hangzhou. This can make the customer to complete the payments by scanning their face and also can reduce the customer waiting time. Besides that, start from the 2025 January, Kuala Lumpur International Airport used the My Boarding Pass system with combined the facial recognition and QR code technology to reduce the immigration processing time to 5 to 7 seconds. While FRT offers many benefits, it also raises some ethical challenges. The most critical issue is privacy. FRT will collect the sensitive biometric data that cannot be changed. A lack of transparency will reduce the customer trust and cause the legal issue. The customer will feel monitored and exploited, while the employee will feel stressed while handling the complaints and security issue. Therefore, businesses need to careful to balance the innovation and responsibility when using the FRT. These are my personal reflections on the facial recognition technology. My core values are respect, fairness, and responsibility. If I were a business leader, I will ensure that the company protects its customer biometric data and obtains their explicit consents before collecting the data. Algorithms should be impartial and unbiased to all users, avoiding the discriminations. Ethical leadership requires a balance between the innovation and responsibility, a placing trust above the short-term profit. Furthermore, maintaining the transparency, strong data security, and regular system review are also crucial to ensuring the ethical guidelines are implemented. Next, I would like to share some several recommendations on how the businesses can implement the facial recognition technology responsibly. First, the transparency and consent. Businesses should clearly to explain to customers how their facial data is collected, stored, and used. When the customer understands what is happened to the data, it can help the customer to build the trust and avoid the misunderstanding. Second, the data protection and security. Companies must use a strong cybersecurity measure, such as the regular security audit, to prevent the data breaches. A good example is the case in 2024, when a EU fines the Clearview AI 20.5 million for collecting the facial data illegally. This shows how important proper data handling and consents are. Third, the buyer monitoring and face algorithms. Businesses should regularly test their facial recognition system to make sure the algorithms are fair to all users. Working with independent auditor or research organization can help to ensure the system does not discriminate against any group. By following this practice, businesses can use the facial recognition technology in a way that is safe, ethical, and trustworthy for everyone. So that is all for me. Thank you.